Oh, my wrists feel good. I need that.
Oh, yeah.
That's good.
I'm gonna start with the wrist.
Oh, there was.
Did you hear it?
Yes.
She must be deaf. Ooh.
Oh,
I can't not make a noise.
I know. It just comes out.
There we go. Good.
That's awesome.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Go face down for me.
Okay.
I want to use the that massage gun. Okay. Yeah, you can see that right in that little bit up with that scoliosis right here. So it raised up on that side, and so it's kind of going this way first in the bottom, probably real slightly, more pronounced in here, and then probably real slightly again going back.
Oh.
Oh, man.
There we go. Take a deep breath in and out. Yeah, one more time.
I saw it.
I'm like, you
It was so stringy. You need to wipe down there.
I have no control over my body. I'm so glad I peed.
Let me have you sit up on the table.
My nose not running.
Sponge on the thing.
They have sunblock all over. They always wear sunblock. It's tinted sunblock. Cause I'm old.
Oh my god.
Oh, I felt that in my hip.
Good. Arms up again.
This one. Right. Oh.
Try again. A little bit lower.
I felt it in my hip.
Good.
Is that not where I was supposed to?
Yeah, no, that's actually exactly. Yeah, I didn't hear it then on that.
I felt it.
I heard it from over here. It was like a,
Go face down again for me.
don't drool this time.
I'll try not to, but I can't promise. I do remember.
Raise your right leg up. Any pain with that?
No.
Good. And relax. And the left leg? Any pain with that?
No.
Good. Okay. Actually, I'm going to have you just scoot down just a little bit on the table. Perfect.
Cracked your shoe.
I'm just slobbering again. Good, you're gonna make her all tense.
Okay. Let him do his job.
Ah.
the spine's kind of going like this. So that's why I was doing those drops, bringing it in this way so we can start straightening out that curve a little bit more. Okay. Flip onto your back for me.
Ooh, okay. You bust my shirt open.
Not your shoes.
Like a huge person on this little table, like nowhere for my arms.
Oh yeah.
Come on up. And then stand up for me. And then bring your arms up. Good. And then trust fall on me. Squeeze your elbows together. Tighter.
Oh yeah.
There we go. And then take a seat right here. Deep breath in and out. That was cleared. Good, good. You can let your hands rest.
Oh God! Oh my God!
Don't move.
I don't think I could.
Yeah, it knocked the wind out of you then.
Okay.
Good, yeah. Catch your breath. What did you feel?
Well.
What do you feel?
I felt like a ton of releasing. I think lower than I thought it would be. Like not so much in my neck,
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
but like through here.
Okay.
Not through there.
So like that between the shoulder blades.
Yes. Goodness gracious. And like, I guess like here, probably where I pulled.
Okay, so up top
Yeah.
and like shoulder blade.
Yeah. That was awesome.
Well, that was like right in through here is where almost like that main part of the scoliosis is at.
Am I cured? No more scoliosis?
I wish it was that easy.
Yeah, I felt it in like my ribs, like that messed up rib when you did it. I feel like it.
I think you feel it where you're all.
Yeah.
Wacky.
That's what I tell people, like when I pull, because every time like I've had patients, you know, like multiple visits,
Yeah.
and it's different,
Every-
like feeling almost. It's like it's where you need it. Scoot forward a little bit.
I loved the fingers
Yeah, I
and
love
the wrist.
that.
My wrists feel better.
Yeah,
No,
she's
sit.
complaining.
Or actually, you know what? Lay on your back.
Ugh.
There we go. Felt that atlas move on that one there.
It's hard to mentally prepare for round two.
I went.
That felt different than the first time.
Did it?
Mm-hmm.
Probably because you weren't as compressed.
Yeah.
What did you feel the second time?
I guess it felt less shocking, maybe. Less. Did it crack less? Less, maybe?
Probably. Yeah, that one I didn't really hear compared to the first. First one, I mean, that just,
I mean, you're so compacted over time.
yeah. And relax.
My wrists feel good. I need that.
Yeah, that's an inflammatory. I know, I should have done this.
Yeah, I get a rib eye also.
Yeah.
Make the babies.
How's everything feeling?
New woman.
Good. We need to go get those like New York City back room massages. Remember that weird place we went? You just like walk in, you can get a massage.
Yes, in New York City, and we did that.
Really?
Weird.
They're like, come into this back closet and get your massage.
I'm like, sure, here's my money.